Back in the lab, got another haul. We try to film in between the hauls, but anyway, welcome back to another video with Straight Into Content and Flash Custom Design. She's right behind me. So we're just showing you guys another haul video. This one's not too big because we continue to kind of ship out behind the scenes and whenever we're not filming. So I just try to get a little bit of content for you guys today, but make sure you guys smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and comment down below if you've ordered some of our transfers and how you like them and stuff like that. All the people, we're getting crazy reviews, a lot of big reviews, a lot of things that are kind of going on. If you don't have the best image, our printers print to the quality of the image. So if you look right here, as Chelly rolls it up, look how detailed and smooth, right?
Okay, so we want to shout out to Tony. Gracias para todas las orders. You know, my Spanish is a little ratata, as Cardi B would say. A little ratata. So shout out to Tony. We appreciate you. We appreciate your business. Every image that you send is like muy bonito. Look at that. He's into the lowrider things. We have one over there. Every image is so crisp, so
What does that
clean.
say?
Dream On. I think that's his brand is Dream On because everything has Dream On. So it's like,
I thought it was in Spanish.
No, Dream On Lowriders.
Oh, Dream On Lowriders.
Dream On Lowriders. But it's so beautiful. Every image he sends is just so crisp and clean. And so it prints amazing. So.
Yeah, and talk about that a little bit as you roll it up, about what matters with the
images?
Yeah.
Well, it definitely matters. I know we say it a lot about being able to vector your image. That makes a huge difference when vectoring images. Let me see. All of these that we have here. Vectored. Yeah, all of these are pretty vectored. If you don't vector your image, I would definitely let you know, hey, when we zoom in, that the quality is very low and that we recommend. Some people say, hey, I just want to print it as is. And I think this green one here, I don't think this one is vectored.
Oh,
it's still printed, but if you can kind of see, it's not crisp like this one. So this is kind of a difference, but it doesn't look bad. Yeah. But it's not crisp.
Yep.
So it's completely, we do leave it up to the customer because they have printed before. Some people come with, I've printed DTF before. I'm just trying your business. Go ahead and print it. It'll look okay. And I'm like, okay. And most of the time it does come out looking okay. So, everyone has experience in their own ways, but we can just recommend what we think is best for your image.
Yep. And if you want your image to come out in this quality, have it vectored. If you want your image to come out in the best quality, have it vectored. Please, I know we're not trying to upsell you or anything like that whenever we recommend that. Like I said, this guy got away with it and his image looks good. And you can get super high quality images from like Canva and stuff like that. Like they're known, like if you make a logo with one of Canva's templates, it's gonna be pretty high quality. Would you agree?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? So with that being said though, sometimes if you're making an image for like a screen printing, it doesn't have to be in that high quality because they're using ink. So they're not working per pixel, whereas our commercial printers are working per pixel. So the smaller, if you can do 300 DPI and stuff like that, that's 300 pixels all within a small thing. You're not gonna see any pixelation. So unfortunately, the image that you may create for screen printing is gonna be a little bit, well, probably a lot less quality than an image that you're gonna do for direct to film. So just wanted to give a little tidbit, a little note in this video for the people out there who might order thinking like, yeah, I got a pretty good image, and then you get it and you're like, whoa, this doesn't look like what I'm used to. And we're just being transparent with that. So as we finish up this, look at these prints.
I might ask this guy if I can have this one. I can put that on a shirt.
That's funny.
Read it.
Yeah, playing with my money is like playing with my emotions. That's mad.
First of all, you got to say it like Big Worm.
No,
Smokey.
I don't.
Playing with my money is like playing with my emotions.
Yeah,
you got to say it like that.
That's how we really feel.
That's what I'm saying. I was saying, can I have that on a shirt? He's gonna be like $20, please.
$20, please.
For a free transfer, you can have my image.
This right here is big. I need to Send that to Danny.
Dope Black Barbers.
Yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Yep, so you can like see it like a little bit here. See, the camera makes it vibrant, but in person, this is like a little pixelated stuff like that, but it'll still look good
No,
on the
it
shirt.
looks really good. It's just not as crisp, but it still looks really good.
Yeah.
Yeah, so he's gonna be very happy with his images. So it's obviously a barber theme. You can see like, this is a barber shop here, the YG Cuts here, YG Cuts.
Oh, I didn't even notice that.
Yeah, and then the
Okay.
Dope Black Barber. So I think that's his, I think he might be a barber. Or
Yeah.
might be doing prints for a barber. I don't know,
Right.
but they're really good designs.
Yeah, those are really good. Hopefully you can cut. Hey man, can you cut? Let us know if you can cut. I always ask barbers, hey man, can you cut? I don't know if you only been out here like 5 days, but you got merch.
Oh, cut hair?
Yeah, if he can cut.
Of course he can. He got his own brand.
You don't know.
He can cut.
I'm being silly. Nobody take offense. I'm being silly. I'm just being silly.
He's not gonna let me have his design if you're talking about.
Oh yeah, my bad. My bad. She wants that. She wants to know because she used that design.
But anyways, they are getting shipped out today. Thank you so much for your order, and please let me know. Tag us in social media on how great that they came out.
Yeah, that's another thing. We haven't gotten too many videos of people pressing our stuff. So if you press your stuff, can you please make a video or do a review? That's what we need. Reviews. Please do a review on our transfer and stuff like that. We truly appreciate it. Anything you want to say before we dip? I'm hungry.
You're always hungry.
I know.
Nothing, thank you. I just appreciate it. And I really enjoy looking at the different graphics that are sent, the different
Right.
files. They're so vibrant and just so unique. You know what I mean? Like, I just like looking at everybody's orders. So I thank you guys so much thank you so much for ordering, and we are shipping these out today. If you have any questions, just let us know. And again, let me think. I'm trying to think what's the top question that's been asked this week. What's the top question that we have to be getting asked?
Not about the image.
How's my hair look?
Really good. How many images we can fit? We really get asked all the same questions that we put in the video.
I know, that's what, but we have one per week that's like people ask us over and over. I don't know. But anyways, please contact us if you are ready to order your FCD vinyl. FCTs.
All right.
Don't get these.
Oh yeah, my bad. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified for every new video that we got coming. And we look forward to sending you some transfers. $19.99. Get your sheets. Flip the sheets. Flip the sheets. Peace.